Hi food lovers, I'm so excited because for the very first time, registration for the Good For You grocery course is open. This is my brand new course all about navigating the grocery store to make better for you food decisions. Now, this is going to be an experience where we go week by week over 4 weeks, and we're going to dive into all different topics of nutrition. Think about this as a guided grocery store tour where I am walking alongside you and teaching you why we're buying certain things and not others. We're going to break down marketing scams that you see on the front of the label and really dive deep into the ingredients that you find on the back of the product. When you finish this course, you are going to feel so empowered when you walk through the grocery store. You are finally going to feel that you are taking your hard-earned money and spending it on quality ingredients that are good for you and your family. We're also going to talk about a mindfulness approach to this. This is not about perfection. This is all about finding a balance in your nutrition. I hope you join me. Click below to get registered today.